You may have heard a lot about letter of recommendation while submitting application to international universities. So as its name implies, letter of recommendation एक letter है जो candidate की profile को support करता है for employment और academic advancement. This letter is also known as LOR or letter of reference. If you are applying to a university abroad, this letter helps admission panel to learn more about the candidate's profile. Your LOR can be prepared by your teacher, HOD or principal. But आपको ये स्कूल से लेना होगा या फिर कॉलेज से. So students who are applying for bachelor courses can take their LOR from teachers, HODs and principals of their schools. And those who are applying for master's courses can take their LORs from professors, HODs or principals of their college. That means you have to get letter of recommendation from where you have completed your previous education. They will definitely help you out, but हो सकता है कि उनके पास इतना टाइम ना हो कि वो आपके लिए LOR prepare करें, then they may ask you to prepare it on their behalf. After which they'll be approving it. अगर आप अपने LOR का content खुद लिख रहे हैं, then make sure that the recommender later adds the content on the letterhead of the school or college. Otherwise, it would be of no use. Remember that a strong LOR can increase the chances of your admission, whereas a weak LOR can lead to rejection. So let's have a look at how a perfect LOR can look like. On the top, there should be a heading, letter of recommendation. Opening can be like, to whom it may concern or dear admission committee. Then there should be written some basic details of the recommender along with how long has he known you and what his purpose of writing is. Then the main paragraph comes, which includes your academic and personal strengths. Academic strengths like a subject which you are good at, and personal strengths like your decision making, problem solving and other similar qualities for which you are being recommended. Now the most important part of LOR comes, which is the signature and other details of the recommender. The details should include his name, his designation at the college or school, his department of teaching, for example architecture or management, etc., his contact details like his phone number or email ID, and at last the signature or seal. Now to make your LOR strong, you can use some tips and tricks, like you can reach out to that teacher or professor for recommendation जिसके subject में आप weak थे, that this student was weak in this subject but over the time I saw a remarkable change in his performance and he is a good learner. Now, students have some common queries like, can I get 2 LORs from one person? So the answer is no. You have to get 2 LORs from 2 separate people. Some of you may also think that are 2 LORs mandatory? So the answer is, universities of some countries may ask for only 1 LOR, but universities of countries like Italy ask for 2 LORs. So this was all about LOR, which is letter of recommendation from my side. I hope this information was helpful for you. Let us know in the comments if you have any doubts related to letter of recommendation. Thanks for watching.